What's your name, buddy? That's a great name.
Thank you.
It's certainly different than Jacob.
Yeah, our son is
Oh, nice.
Jacob.
Yeah, we decided to join everyone else
That's,
22 years ago.
these things are cyclical, so.
David area.
Yeah.
And they all live out here. So.
I wanted a name nobody can make fun of.
Yeah, that's
Like
fair.
you get picked on for a lot of things, but you're not going to get picked on.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. Definitely.
Yeah, that was cool.
I don't know. I moved that Johnny Cash song, "Boy Named Sue." That's my into that. Like throw them into the fire. Right?
Yeah.
Hold on, please. You're approaching station Carroll Gate.
Not sure. We got one more.
We gotta get to A.
Yeah.
Is this where we live or is this where we visit?
We're visiting.
Both of our kids ended up out here after college. 4 years apart, they still ended up out here.
Where do you guys live?
And so she went to Colorado State University. I was like, it snows there
Also,
too.
but it's beautiful snow, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So it's different.
Yeah. It's kind of similar to like us at home, except for their weather drops. They earlier.
They swing earlier.
Yeah.
But it's similar to us.
We were here a few years ago and it was -9 this time of year.
But then last year, it was 70 here.
Yeah, it was kind of hot.
This year,
More seasonal this year.
Well, it's pretty warm right now.
yeah,
Is it?
Miriam said, yeah. Although she said it was about 30 nights, like
Right.
throughout the day, sometimes. Yeah, it's like spring. So it's better than -9 is hot.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just glad we made it. We were supposed to land at like 4:30,
We
7.
got the late, yeah, we got the late part of 5 hours.
We are approaching station
Three different planes.
This is us. Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah. Virgin planes.
Exit 2 Carroll Gate.
Safe travels.
Yeah, you too.
I think we're going to back.